Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is February 2024 Patreon Part 5. We'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures for your STL prints. The links for all these will be down that we'll be looking at below as well, so check them out if you have a chance. And if you also like the channel, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down the link below. We'll be starting with Puppets War Miniatures. These are Warhammer proxies. They got some pretty good ones, but they don't have February ones out yet. Looks like here. That's January one. So February is not out. Usually they have Orc and some type of a Space Marine, and they have Tyranids and stuff. So far, I'm working on Eldars. No, the Adaris. Yeah, check them out if you have every chance. They should be out in probably another week or two. They got like probably an orc out. Gotcha Hell Paradise, a figure for this. We got Sasumi. Okay, I have no idea who that is. We got Chin Tahoe. I don't know where this is from as well, but if you guys do know, let me know down in the comments below. So yeah, Chinchulo and Susumi. That'll be your February. Their prints are they're actual good. They're just still working on it. This is Maria from last month that I really want to print for the Persona 4 one. So Den of Imagination, another Warhammer proxies. Den of Imagination. We had Nurgle. We got more Nurgle. I think these are Nurgle Space Marines. I believe. I don't think they're Terminators. I think last month we got some Terminators. So we got some Death Knights. So if you want some Death Knights, I think this would be pretty good to have as well. Especially, it's really hard to get a lot of Death Knights right now. Amazon for it. I have a whole bunch of Nurgle army for it, but Death Knights would be pretty damn sweet by now. Blessed Plague Bearer. I really want one with a lot of guns in it. Do I have to get bits and cut off their hands? We got one, two, three, four, five, five death guards with guns. So, oh, we got three more that they're on their way. We'll see. Wicked, another figure. They don't have anything up for February. They've been releasing their miniatures out really late. So I don't know what they're gonna be doing for February. I don't know if they have anything for February. We already got the Punisher and stuff. But yeah, check them out. They will have hopefully by towards the end of the month they'll have their stuff. I'll have the link down below. Lift Minchis Studio is another figure as well. They don't have anything for February yet, but you can see the quality of their prints and their make. This is Mal'Ganis from World of Warcraft. They have a lot of Warcraft type, so I'm gonna kind of scroll down and see if they have anything for February, but I don't see anything for February. I'll leave down the link down for you guys to go check them out because I don't think I have time to actually look back on what they're all going to be having. STL Para Impression de Menes for February. I think this is for February one. Big Boo figures. If you're interested in having a monk, ladies, there you have it. Maya Studio is another figure. So vote result is Tiamo no May and Neptune from Neptuna. So we have these two that's going to be in February. We already got Etna and stuff. They should have more stuff from Disagia. DM Stash, D&D prints. Now we got some D&D prints. So we are doing the Underdark, looks like it, with Drows and Spiders, Crystalline Lizard, Duke Conrad, Drow Soldier, the Chronicles, the Mechlonoids Minions, the Awakened Monk, Drow Assassin, Drow Spidermancer. So we'll get those. So we're having Drows, under characters from the Underdark for it. Next is Rowan Art. They do a lot of pinups and everything for it. This is the Valentine theme that they have. Got Honey Bunny. I can never paint like that. So we have Yonder, Founjodori, Deer, Leon, and Turlil for your D&D minis if you're interested on getting them as well. Bite the Bullet, another D&D figures. We are having Thiefling for this month. I know they have a video for the Thiefling, so we'll check out the Thiefling out. For it, I'm gonna fast produce them. Let's see here. So we got the kids from Baldur's Gate 3 from the Druid's Grove. We have a Thiefling Warlock, a Thiefling Artificer, a Thiefling Sorcerer, a Thiefling Fighter, Thiefling, I think, Priest, and Cleric, a Thiefling Rogue, Thiefling Bard, and a Thiefling Paladin, a Thiefling Druid, and you have Karlach. So you're going to have Karlach in this as well. Next is Great Grimoire. They use fairy tale and D&D settings for it. This is the February one that they have. I know they have more than what they're going to be releasing on this. There we go. You want to see freaking minis. There we go. We have some type of demon that we have, or a vampire. So I don't know which one they're gonna do. They got one that's bind in chains, and one that is sealed. But there should be more that's coming out for it. There should be more minis that'll be coming out for this as well. 3D Moon, another figures, very good figures. So we're waiting on Rebecca that they're working on. We got Triss as well from The Witcher. I think we're also getting Terry as well from Fatal Fury. Are we getting Yori as well? Yori's been released on the 1st, so we got Yori. Actually, this Yori looks pretty damn delicious. Rebecca's gonna be part of the march with Mystique. Looks like it. Okay, my 3D prints. They make World of Warcraft characters for their things. We are doing. Looks like we're heading back to Stormwind or Lordaeron. I think Lordaeron or Stormwind. There's Silverhand Knights. So yeah, Stormwind. Those are the prints. But I want to see. That's the welcome pack. I want to see February what they're gonna have. So we're gonna have a lot of freaking paladins. So yeah, if you're interested on having a character in your game that's a World of Warcraft character, this would be it. These are pretty cool, good looking as well. I would like to do World of Warcraft RPG, but not a lot of people, my friends, do like World of Warcraft. Arrow Waifus, another figure. We are having Seko Bushi from High School of the Dead. The layout of everything for it. Either doing that or render. We already got this from last month, so we are getting this sexy figure for this month from Arrow Waifu. Gilead's Miniature is another D&D miniature as well. For February, we're going to have some assassins in our for this month. We have little cooking door and training dummy for it. Lilith Pods is another figure. January, that was Albedo's, I believe. February 1st, I think February 1st we are getting 2B. 2B, and I don't know what this guy's for. Yeah, 2B's would be for this month. Just letting you guys know for that. When you're hiding, this will be it. Hope you do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. I think we'll be doing a lot longer videos for the next part due to the fact that we have a lot of Patreon to look through. So let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.